On today's Product Spotlight, we feature a phenomenal product for those people who are concerned about hair loss and seeing more and more of those fallen hairs come out in the shower. Well, let me introduce you to Copenhagen Grooming's Hair Growth Kit and Capsules, a natural 3-step solution to regaining control of your hair loss and boosting hair growth. The kit includes their Moon Roller, a high-quality derma roller to activate new growth, and cleaning spray for the roller, their exclusive hair serum activator, and their dietary supplement full of hair growth-inducing nutrients. You can order your hair growth kit today at cphgrooming.com.